Welcome back. We're delighted today to have 16 companies to talk to you about.
I think it's a really interesting time to be in insurance innovation. There's some realism creeping in to the InsurTech conversation.
InsurTech is a really interesting opportunity for us. We can see through the data that it's actually massively underinvested.
Strategic advice on where to grow, but also execute that growth strategy, so to help you to deliver that to market.
What do they think about their own knowledge in about 20 insurance innovation theme areas? But we also wanted to understand where buyers were active and where they were also thinking of being active.
They can listen to our wonderful podcast.
Quite right.
They can read Henry's amazing report, and they can come and talk to me about your cool and sexy data document needs.
I think we found there's a real appetite for innovation among that community, and there's also a strong desire to network.
So I think what's really interesting about the InsurTech space is that the thirst for partnership is always present at events like these. I think we tend to think that technology companies want to hold all of their IP back and not share it and everything's very secret, but actually collaboration, particularly at the early stage, is really, really important as a means of making progress. And I think that's really refreshing to see in action at events like these.
I think it's just amazing to see the community come together and all the various different people, whether it be on insurer's side, broking side, the tech side, or just startups coming together, pooling ideas and concepts and working together as a community.
I think that InsTech is actually a really, really good platform to understand how to do that, how to come up with the best solution, how to have conversations with members of the market who know what they're talking about in order to make you achieve what your ambition is.
I come to InsTech events because I want to stay up to date with the latest technology and trends in insurance and technology, and also because there are a lot of great, very smart people here to learn from and to hire.
So my one key takeaway for tonight is InsTech is such a broad church. You can literally bump into anyone here. I'm so impressed that I bumped into insurers, startups, and people running parent companies. So you can talk to anyone here.